Hey everyone! In this video, we'll show you how to export your wireframes as an interactive PDF with clickable links in under 2 minutes. Let's start by adding interactions to the wireframe. Here's our home page. Select a header item, add an interaction, set the action to mouse click, choose Go to Page, and link it to the home page. Repeat the same steps for the other header links. Now, repeat the same steps for the header in the other pages as well. Add interactions in the same way and link each header item to its corresponding page. Once all interactions are in place, go to Export and choose Interactive PDF. Select the pages, click Add. And then click Create Interactive PDF to download the file. That's it! Your wireframe is now exported as an interactive PDF. The clickable areas are highlighted, and clicking on them lets you navigate between pages, just like a real product flow. This makes it easy to share interactive wireframes with stakeholders, clients, or teams, even when they're viewing it as a PDF. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more quick tips from MockFlow.